The Sous Vide Immersion Cooker Kit is an all-inclusive package that equips you with everything needed for precision cooking, including a versatile immersion circulator, vacuum bags, and a handy cookbook. Crafted with stainless steel, the 800-watt sous vide machine ensures even cooking by securely clamping to any pot, retaining flavors and moisture impeccably. This versatile kit allows you to achieve restaurant-quality results with various foods, like chicken, fish, vegetables, and eggs, right from your home kitchen. The sous vide cooking method is ideal for health-conscious cooks as it helps retain more nutrients and vitamins without the need for extra oils or fats. Featuring a digital LED touch panel, the immersion circulator offers precise temperature and time controls, making it easy to achieve perfect cooking results every time. Designed for ease of use, the machine operates quietly and is simple to clean, with a removable stainless steel tube for hassle-free maintenance.